Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be dropping a free indicator. As you know that in this channel we used to drop different free indicator on our channel, and all what you need to do is to join our Telegram group, and you are going to get access to different indicator for free. You are going to get it for free. So inside this video I want to make a video on how to use this single indicator on step index, which is lucky reverse on step index, boom 1000 and crash 500. So guys, inside this video I will be explaining in details on how you can make use of this simple lucky reverse indicator to trade your step index in higher time frames and in lower time frames. And also you can also use this to trade on your boom 1000 on higher time frames, and also you can also use this to trade on your cash 500 on 1 hour time frames. So guys, let's get it started now. So guys, this is just the simple indicator you need to install. Let me delete this so that I can explain how I get it exactly like this. You can see what is happening here. I have a trade that is running currently now, and what you need to do is to join my Telegram group, and you are going to get access to this indicator. So this is the indicator, and the indicator is free on my Telegram channel. So what you need to do, the input is the only thing that you need to change here. So you are going to be putting it to 60, and you are going to be having your color like this. Just screenshot it, and you are going to have the same setup the way we have it here. You see that? So then press OK. Then you are going to have the setup on your screen like this. You are going to have it on your screen like this. And also this your candlestick. You can see that we have our candlestick that is moving on a uptrend on a blue color candle, and we also have our red, which is our downtrend simple candle. So that is exactly what we are going to be using. So you can also change your own candle by, let me show you guys how you can do it. So you can click on the settings on the last button here. When you click on the right click, and you can change your bar up on blue color, and also you go bar down on red color. So that is how you can change it. So when you apply it, then press OK. So guys, after install this indicator on step index 15-minute time frames, this is 15-minute time frames, all what you need to do is to wait for a particular signal to appear. So let's check this particular indicator. You can see that we have a downtrend from this level, and we have that downtrend to this level. So once the trade is moving on a downtrend this level, that is when we are going to be setting up our 9 for hit. You can see that we have our downtrend starting from this up, and this is exactly where you are going to be placing your trade on. You can decide to open your trade at this level, and you can decide to open your trade at this level, and you are still going to be making your profits. But on a safer side, I want to teach you a simple method you can also use. You can see this. We have, make sure that the 9 is aligned with this. Exactly, it's aligned with what you are having here. You can see all that. So this is our rejection zone, then this is another rejection zone. So that is exactly what you are going to be doing. So also you are going to be checking up another strategy like this. You can see that. You can see this. You can see that this has given us a accurate trend of a 9. You can see we have our rejection zone there. So now from this level now, what you need to do is to mark out every rejection zone. Mark out every rejection zone. I told you guys that this is a rejection zone. Anyone that tells your 9 is always being your rejection zone. Like this also, we have another rejection level here. So this is what the trade will be coming up after it is through with this. And also we also have another rejection zone level at this level. We have another one at this level. And if you see very well now, you will see that when the trade come here, when it keep on another reverse, we can see that it hits this our trend line here, and it make a reverse. From this level, we have another rejection zone level, and they respect it, moving on in between this trend line, and before